We are starting to see some of today's severe weather threats starting to have an impact on the roadways. Take a look here. This is just west of Hammond on I-12. It's near the Springfield exit. Traffic is backed up after a big rig towing several vehicles veered off the roadway, creating a traffic nightmare.
And people stuck in the traffic say rain has started coming down, as well as large chunks of hail. So make sure that you're cautious if you're heading home right now on that piece of I-20.
Across the board on the roadways tonight, tomorrow, Thursday, you're going to want to exercise more caution because we're going to have heavy rains. Hail is possible again tonight and tomorrow. Let's get right to WDSU First Warning Radar. The picture that we showed you with that cell that produced the hail, well, it's no longer classified as severe by the National Weather Service. So the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for Tangipahoa Parish has now been canceled. There you go. There you can see what's left of that cell. It really wasn't overly impressive, but it did produce hail. So obviously the National Weather Service was watching it very closely. There's more rain that's to the west, and we're tracking that very closely. We had some showers moving over Slidell, light showers really. But here's where we're going to be watching this evening through tomorrow morning. Tornado watch in effect until 9 p.m. That's the area that you see outlined there in the yellow. And yes, there's a small possibility we could see a tornado tonight, tomorrow morning, severe weather a possibility, but this is the thing that I think we're really going to be talking about. Weather prediction giving us this rainfall forecast through Thursday, and this might be a little bit underdone. Areas that you see highlighted in the orange, that's anywhere from 4 to maybe 6 inches of rain, 2 to 4 inches of rain possible. In excess of that in the greater New Orleans area, the metro, as we sometimes like to say. And this is a graphic that I'm showing you to give you an idea of how everyone has the possibility to see excessive rain, and we have a flood watch that's in effect until 7 o'clock Thursday. Not until tomorrow, until 7 o'clock Thursday evening. So today, in the evening, tomorrow all day, Thursday all day, the possibility for heavy rain. I think some of us are going to see well in excess of 6 inches of rain before it's all done. 81 degrees officially at Louis Armstrong International Airport. Easterly wind at about 14, but look at that, 2.74. A lot of moisture here close to the surface. You can feel it when you step outside. Here's that big line of thunderstorms that we're really keeping our eyes on. It's in Texas right now, about to cross over into portions of Louisiana. What we're seeing is kind of a complex weather pattern. At the surface, we have low pressure. We have a warm front that's kind of moving through right now. But this is really the main feature, an area of low pressure at the upper levels. You see the spin in the atmosphere here. This is a low that's not going to be moving much over the next couple of days, so it's going to continue to bring energy toward us, disturbances, bringing us that chance for rain. Thunderstorms, could have a strong storm tonight, could have a strong storm tomorrow. But heavy rains, I think that's our biggest concern over the next 72 hours. This model, not exactly initializing all that well, not giving us a great idea of what's happening in the short term, but it gives us a general idea. 9 o'clock tonight, line of showers and thunderstorms moving through. North Shore, possibly seeing the heaviest rains first. Then as we get to tomorrow morning, 3 a.m., more rain moving in. Our morning show actually goes on the air at 4 a.m. tomorrow, and this is the reason why we think it's going to be a very wet morning. Here you are at 9 o'clock, going from 9 o'clock until noon. Could have some strong thunderstorms here, possibility of severe weather, obviously heavy rains tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, some more rain moving in. And Thursday also looks to be wet for us. I know, it's kind of a repeat performance, right? All the way through late Thursday, that possibility for flooding. That's why we have the flood watch in effect. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. Weather alert days tomorrow, weather alert day Thursday. Weather impact day Friday and Saturday, which we're watching very closely. We might be upgrading those as we get a little bit closer. A gradual, somewhat drying trend as we go through the weekend. WDSU First Warning Weather.